TransUnion Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm giving you a clear, expert breakdown of TransUnion and whether its credit repair tools are actually worth using. First, it's important to understand that TransUnion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus, which means it collects and maintains your credit data directly. This gives it a key advantage over traditional credit repair services because you're dealing with the source of your credit report, not a third-party company that simply submits disputes on your behalf. One of the core features TransUnion offers is access to your credit report and credit score, along with ongoing credit monitoring. You get alerts when there are changes to your file, such as new accounts, hard inquiries, or negative marks. This is critical because timing matters in credit repair. Catching an issue early can prevent further damage. Some plans also include access to reports from all 3 bureaus, giving you a more complete picture of your credit profile, since lenders often use multiple sources. When it comes to actual credit repair, TransUnion allows you to dispute inaccurate or outdated information directly through its platform. The dispute process is straightforward. You can file online, upload supporting evidence, and track the status of your claim. This is one of the most effective ways to repair credit because disputes go directly to the bureau responsible for reporting the data. If the information cannot be verified, it must be corrected or removed, which can positively impact your credit score. Another key feature is identity protection. TransUnion offers services like fraud alerts, identity theft monitoring, and insurance coverage in case your identity is compromised. It also scans for your personal information on risky websites and notifies you if anything is found. This adds an extra layer of security, helping you not only repair your credit but also prevent future issues. However, there are limitations you need to be aware of. TransUnion is not a done-for-you credit repair service. You are responsible for identifying errors and submitting disputes yourself. Also, no platform can legally remove accurate negative information. So if your low score is due to real missed payments or defaults, those will remain until they age off your report. Monitoring tools are helpful, but they don't fix your credit automatically. You still need to improve your financial habits. Overall, TransUnion is best for people who want direct access to their credit data, efficient dispute tools, and strong monitoring features without relying on third parties. It's a solid, transparent option for managing and repairing your credit, but it requires active involvement to see real results.